In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate and use Asana Integration with HubSpot. If you're looking to streamline your workflow and enhance productivity by bridging these two powerful platforms, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. To kick off, the first thing you need to do is open HubSpot and ensure you're logged into your account. You'll want to have full access to make all necessary changes and installations, so double-check you have the appropriate permissions. Next, you'll want to navigate to the trial guide. This tool is incredibly handy as it holds all the resources you need to seamlessly begin your form-building journey. If you're unfamiliar with where to find this, look for any onboarding or resource center links within your dashboard that'll guide you to the trial guide section. Spending a few moments here will arm you with the foundational knowledge necessary for effective integration. Once you're on your homepage, look for the marketplace icon. This is a pivotal location as it hosts all the third-party applications you can integrate with HubSpot, Asana included. Click on this icon and it will take you directly to an area where you can browse and search for various integrations and add-ons. In the search bar, type in Asana. This will filter the marketplace options to show you what pertains specifically to Asana. Asana integration will typically come up as one of the top results, making it easy for you to spot. Once you've located it, take a moment to review the details provided. This is crucial because understanding what the integration offers and any requirements it demands will ensure you set the correct expectations and prepare adequately. After you've reviewed the details and are ready to proceed, click on the Install button. This will initiate the installation process. HubSpot will guide you through this with prompts that appear on your screen. These might include permissions requests, which ask you to authorize certain actions that allow HubSpot and Asana to communicate directly. It's critical to follow each prompt carefully, granting the necessary permissions to complete the integration. By following these steps, you're not just connecting two platforms, you are enhancing your team's communication and project management capabilities. With Asana and HubSpot working hand in hand, you'll notice improvements in task assignments, real-time updates, and cross-platform communication. Thank you for tuning in and taking the time to enhance your workflow with us today. Keep exploring more integrations and tools within HubSpot to further optimize your productivity.